Good morning, friends. Okay, let's start our circle time. Now remember, the name of the month is April, and we're going to sing the days of the week, so please sing along. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today is Monday, April 13th. And then let's do the days of the week. So, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. And now remember, April's color is yellow, and our teddy bear is wearing a yellow raincoat, yellow rainbow boots. He's carrying a yellow and white umbrella and has a yellow fish in the hook of his umbrella. And then April's shape is oval. This is the shape of an oval, eggs are oval, and jelly beans are oval. Now let's go check the weather. Okay, so now we're outside. I don't see any blue sky. I see a lot of gray clouds. And it's not cold, but it's not hot either. It's actually not even warm. It's kind of cool. Let's go inside and put it on the chart. Okay, so here's our chart. Now remember, this season is spring. And we said it was cloudy and cool. Now I'm going to read our story. Today's story is Baby Bird by Joyce Dunbar and illustrated by Russell Ado. Okay, now remember, open your eyes and turn on your ears. Here we go. This is the bird that climbed out of the nest and flop, flop, flop. He fell. This is the squirrel that sniffed at the bird that fell. Cheep. This is the bee that buzzed around the bird that fell. Bzz, bzz. This is the frog that hopped over the bird that fell. Croak. Chirp. This is the cat that stalked the bird. Chirp. Meow. And fell himself, which was just as well. This is the dog that opened wide and a bird that nearly walked inside. A baby bird that wanted to fly, cheep, up, up above in the sky. And thought he would have just one more try. Flap, 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 flap. This is the bird, chirp, chirp, cheep, that flew. And there he is, flying in the blue sky. Okay, let's go do some art. Okay, so today's art, we're going to do birds in a nest. So the first thing we actually need to do is paint our paper plate. And what we're going to do is I've got some blue paint and I'm going to add some glue to my paint. And then that'll make the paint sticky. I'm going to paint my paper plate for the sky. so there's my sky. Now I'm going to start on my birds. So I gave you some circles and some triangles and some googly eyes. So the first circle, which is the biggest one, this is going to be the mama bird. And I'm going to fold her in half. And I'm going to stick her on the sky. And then the second circle is the baby circle. And just fold her in half. And there's the baby circle. And then I have one big triangle. I'm going to use some glue. Stick that down. Stick that down. And then here's Mama's beak. And then here's baby bird's beak. And then you have two googly eyes. The smaller googly eye is for the baby bird. And the bigger googly eye is for mama bird. So there's our birds. Now we're going to make it look like they're sitting in a nest. So I'm going to use more of my blue paint. And I'm going to paint some more on the paper plate. And then I gave you some tissue paper, and it's a mix, your tissue paper is a mix of brown and green. I gave you all the brown, so I have green. So I'm just gonna remember, take one at a time. I'm gonna crumple some up. I'm gonna stick it to my paint and glue mixture. Because birds use twigs and grass and paper, lots of things that they just fly around and see to build their nest. So that's what we're pretending to do, to build our nest. And there we go. And ta-da! It's mama and baby bird in a nest. Have fun. Okay, so now for today's science. I filled a bowl with water, and I have some plastic eggs, and I bet you guys have some plastic eggs at home. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if they sink or float. So I don't have anything inside my plastic eggs, and they definitely are floating. Now let's see if we can make them sink. I've got some pennies here. I'm gonna put 3 pennies in one of the eggs. Make sure to close it. It still floats. Okay. I have a tomato. I'm gonna put a tomato in one egg. Close it up. What do you think? Sink or float? Let's see. It still floats. Now this egg, I'm gonna open it. Whoops, open it up. I'm gonna put a rock in it. What do you think? Sink or float? Let's see. Oh, it hit bottom. Hear that? So that was heavy. That made it sink. The tomato, not heavy enough, still enough air that we're closing up in our egg to make it float. And same thing with our pennies. Let's see if I add this little butterfly clip in with the pennies. Let's see if that changes it. Nope, still floats. So just have fun playing around with the your plastic eggs. You know, look around the house, find anything that will fit inside, and you can test it out to see if it'll sink or float. And that's it for today's science. You guys have a great Monday, and I'll see you soon.